Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $95,000 right now, and look at that beautiful drop. Looks really beautiful. This wasn't a surprise because we had a support at 97,300. When we lost 97,300, we had only one area to drop to, and that is 92,500. Now, it might take a bit of time, but it needs to do either of them. Either it goes to 92,500 or it goes back above 97,300. That is the only time when we touch it. The reason for it is simple, that if it is not able to stabilize at a certain price point, like in this case scenario when it dropped towards 97,300, it couldn't even live there. Let me show you that. The beauty of sticking to areas is that if you look at it, it couldn't live above it, and each candle is only 4 hours. It dropped below, then it reacted to this area as if this is some kind of a resistance, and then of course it bled further. So 97,300 is the area that we are concerned about, and as long as Bitcoin doesn't go and conquer 97,300, we don't have the upward story. When we say upward story, we are talking about 102 from there. But if Bitcoin is not conquering 97,300, our only reliance is on 92,500, which will be here. Just a second. This is 92,500, our old sweetheart. This is the area that we have tested so many times, and maybe one more time we will come here and we'll make a very beautiful double top. Forget about the rest of the tops. This is fresh double top, and this is a bearish structure, of course. Once it starts delivering on 92,500, we don't even need to bother with 90,000 anymore. I will ignore that because for me, I think this would be more than sufficient to assume that we are heading towards 85. Let me see how much is the deliverance on basis of this thing. That's 98, and that's 92,500. That's 2, that's 6, that's 5,500. So from 92, that's 5,500. That puts it at 87. Okay, so kind of some people, I know that there are some analysts out there that would be looking for 88. So that kind of is in line with their concept. So 88, 87, but 85 is a more psychological number. I'm using it. There's no other reason for 85, and historically it was a good level of support. So that is another reason. But the good part of this overall thing is that if we lose 92,500, then we wouldn't care about 90. We would straightforward have our faith in 85 journey. But of course, if it doesn't break 92,500 like it did so many times here, I mean, this is something we have done a lot, right? We came down to it and we went up. We came down to 92,500, we bounced. Okay, bounced. Then this would be one more bounce that would happen, and nothing as of a surprise. But it depends if you want to participate in it or not. But that is the range. Right now where it is a no touch range. If you touch it, you might end up burning your hand. Of course, if it goes to 97,300, you would be feeling lucky, but we are not here to get lucky. We are trying to enter the market where it is sensible rather than trying to get lucky. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.